Hello and welcome to ODC. Today I am going to unbox these headphones under 1000 rupees wireless earbuds, I should say, from a brand called Mivi DuoPods M20. I got them on Flipkart for just 949 rupees. There's a nice card inside and there's something else. I'm assuming it's paperwork. They went all out on their bright green design branding. We have two of these. Let me see if they are the same. No, they are not the same. This is for warranty registration and take a photo of your receipt and scan QR delivery message. Okay, so we need to take a picture of the invoice and send it to them, even though it has our address, name, personal details and everything on it. But anyway, that's not the point. Inside the box we have these AirPods in a very portable small enclosure, and also we have a cable. Let's see how good it is. It's very bad, as expected. It's a cheap quality 20 RS cable, but it has their branding on it, so it's all better now, and there's nothing else. Let's look inside. So when you remove them, they turn on like this. Oh, that's it for the unboxing video, because this is an unboxing video. I am restarting the channel. I'm currently building my studio, so it will take some time. But anyway, if you want to see a full review of these have touch too. Full review of these, subscribe and like and share, the usual stuff. Bye.